What is up, guys? It's Vauxhall TV Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a Vauxhall Zafira on a 2009 Vauxhall Zafira. Doesn't matter if it's petrol or diesel. We're going to go ahead and replace the front wishbones. I've replaced them in the past. I think I've done a video in the past. Give me a like and thumbs up and everything. But if I haven't done it, we're doing it this time. Okay, so let's get on it. Let's go. Okay, I'll be straight up honest with you guys. Vauxhall TV, yours truly, my shoulder and my arm is totally messed up. Okay, and I'll try my best. I'll try my best to show you guys. I'll try my best to, you know, take the bolts off. If not, I'll have to get a helper. And yeah, let's get on it. But knackered. But I need to recover before the before what was it now? 24th of July, because our next badminton competition, this is an amateur competition for yours truly. You know, we need to win something as well, right, for us. Check that out, coming up on Vauxhall TV, 24th of July, Vauxhall TV badminton tournament. So yeah, let's get on this. Let's take the wishbone off. Let's do it. Okay, I've took the wheel off. I'm not going to show you how to take the wheel off. I mean, dead easy. Crack it on the floor, take it off. 17mm bolts. Wheel comes off. Basically, 3 bolts we have to take off. 1 pinch bolt, which is here. Another bolt here. And another one here. 18mm for this one. 18mm for that one. Okay, and I think that is an 18 as well. 19 or 18. We're going to go ahead and take that off. Take them 2 off, and hopefully this wishbone should come straight off. Okay, so I'm going to take this one off first. 19mm on this side, on the bolt side. On the nut side here, 18mm. Go the right way, it will help. Take 2, go the right way. Okay, that comes off. Okay, the ball joint pinch bolt is off. We're going to go ahead and take that one off. Okay, this one 18 as well, 18mm nut on bolt, take that off. And we'll go ahead and take this one off, 18mm nut on bolt as well, as you can see there. Nut on this side, bolt on this side. Let's go ahead and take them 2 off. And hopefully this wishbone should come straight off. Okay, that one's off. I know I didn't show you guys how to take it off, but what you need to do is you need to get an 18mm socket on this side, or spanner, whichever way. If you want to struggle and use a spanner, use a spanner. But I like to use the socket on this side and the spanner on this side. Okay, spanner just to hold it, the 18mm socket to take it off with the electric ratchet. You know, I'm a bit lazy. You know, I don't want to do it with the normal ratchet. Time's money, yeah. So yeah, let's take that off. So basically, I've got the spanner on that side, 18mm. It's not rocket science, and the 18mm socket on this side with the ratchet. It'll probably fall off because you need to hold it with another hand on that side, just like that. So you get the picture. Hold it on that side, take it off on this side. Can't go wrong. Okay, guys, sit rep. That bolt is off. This one's off. This one is off as well. I mean, 2 ways to do it. Either you can get a ball joint splitter and split it with a ball joint, or you can get like a little flat screwdriver in there and then just pull it down. Or you can go drastic and go, you know, a bit savage and just hammer it off. The best way I think to do it is get a little flat screwdriver in there. Okay, that'll spread it a little bit, and then give it a little tap, little hammering. That should come straight off. And then hopefully get a pry bar, or it might just fall off anyway. If it doesn't fall off, you know, on its own, pry bar, just pry it off, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'll demonstrate. I'll try to get this camera on a stand somewhere and then show you guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the steering wheel. My shoulder is absolutely dead. I can't even turn the steering wheel. So I'll try my best on this side. Oh my goodness, really bad. I'm not making it up, guys. My shoulder is really bad. Okay, so what you do is, this is the way I do it. Like I mentioned, there's so many ways to do it, but I find this way the easiest. So get a flat screwdriver, spread the ball joint, the hub that is, and that. Bad shoulder. If you give that a tap, it should come off. It is coming off. That's the situation report here. Is my shoulder is gone. I could not hit it as hard as, you know. My brother tried trying. His hand and shoulder's half dead as well. Okay, so we're all in trouble here. So basically, it's come off. We've managed to get it off.
Next time we'll get the customer to hit it.
That's what I'm going to get the customer to hit it next time, right? So what I'm going to do now is, because it's still stuck there, like I mentioned, we need a little pry bar. We'll just find the pry bar. And all we do is just pry that out from there. Can't really get that wrong. There we go, happy days. Wishbone is off. A lot easier if if you're fit and healthy. But I'm in the wars today, so yeah. But Raoul TV is sacrificing for you guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, comment down below as well. Let's go. Fit it in reverse order. You can't really get it wrong. Put it in there first. What I normally do is put it on this bolt and on this bolt. Get them on, get the bolts in. Don't tighten up on them. Get everything on first, then you tighten up on it. So let's get these in there. Okay, they're in. The ball joint will go in as well. I'm gonna get all the bolts on. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, we've got the wishbone in there. I mean, it's exactly the same way we took it off. I mean, you can't really get it wrong. It goes in there, and it goes in there. And then we get the bolt in there, 18 milli bolt. Same here as well, 18 milli bolt. I mean, I haven't tightened them up. Everything is loose at the moment. We get everything on, all the bolts, all the pinch bolts, all the ball joints, everything on. Then we tighten it up. Okay, so let's go ahead, tighten them up. I mean, for torque settings, I mean, I don't really go off torque settings. I just get the strong arm on it, and I get the big breaker bar on it, and I just tighten it up that way. If you want to go all professional, check auto data out. You can get the torque settings from there, but I go off experience, and I go off like basically strong arm, you know, tighten it up, tight as possible, and that's about it. Let's do it. Okay guys, we've got the wishbone back on there. Everything is tightened up and everything. I'll be straight up honest with you, it wasn't not easy, because I wonder what's gone on my shoulder. It's like I popped something. Oh, I don't know, whatever. We're gonna get the wheel back on, tighten up on the wheel and everything, and that's it. Happy days, job done. Actually, I'm not gonna get the wheel on. I've got a new apprentice here. I'm gonna get him to get the wheel on. Okay, give me a hand, because let's face it. Right, let's face it, because these new generation, they need to get their hands dirty a little bit, because come on. Raoul TV can't do it all, you know, all my life. Team R for you all. Anyway, guys, this is the way we change the wishbone. If I haven't done it before, if I have done it before, we're doing it again. Okay, make sure you check the other video out as well. Give me a like and thumbs up on that one. Okay, and yeah, get the wheel back on. Job done. Happy days. All I'm going to say is please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R for UL. We'll see you guys next time.